Hey everyone!
Thank you for tuning in. Today we're sharing a ceviche recipe.
Tilapia ceviche. And why tilapia? Well, because tilapia is the most common fish that you can find at any supermarket or grocery store.
We have tasted ceviche with different types of fish. Just find the best fish that fits your taste.
We start by thinly dicing the tilapia. Set in a glass or plastic bowl. Squeeze the juice of 8 to 10 limes into the fish. Mix, cover, and set in the fridge. It's been 30 minutes. Mix and return to the fridge. Total of 1 hour has passed. Add white onions, mix, and return to the fridge. And 30 minutes later, remove most of the lime juice. Final step is to add the cilantro and diced tomatoes without the seeds. Salt and pepper to taste.
Alright guys, this is how we build our tostada. We spread some mayo, then we add some ceviche. Then you can top it off with avocado and the red onion and the habanero mix, and enjoy guys! Thank you guys for watching. Check out our vlog channel. The description is going to be down below.
We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel.
And if you have any comments or suggestions for the next video, please write them down below. See you next time. Bye!